Hi, my name is Barbara.Balcom and I work with Guaranty RV in Junction City. I'm here today to show you a Heartland Sundance, which is an ultralight travel trailer, aluminum framed, very good, high quality, a super nice layout and some nice aesthetics. And the stock number that we're working with today is T38810. So we have a 3,000 pound tongue jack. That makes it easy for you to get on and off the ball of your tow vehicle. Dual propane tanks. Little nice diamond plate right here to keep the rocks from messing things up. Man, this thing looks very cool when it's lit up at night. This LED lighting really sets it off. Big storage area under here, and I want to point out, look, it's got an LED light all the way across, and this lets you see the quality. This is aluminum framed, and that is, my friend, plywood. No OSB. Hooray! So come on down. This is 27 feet. It's a 273, so it's 27 foot. It's just the right size to get into any kind of a campground. Once you get up into the 33, 34s, it gets a little long, but it's doable. You can always take what they call a pull through. Dual axles. The charm of this unit is on the inside, so we're going to go on in. Now, as you can see, I haven't staged a single thing. This is just how we brought it in here. So you got these nice chairs and this big window in the back with a little cocktail table and a couple of drawers, which makes it really nice. Little sofa right here. I think this is pretty cool. You flip this down and it's got a charging station for your phone and a place to put your beverage. It'll also flip down completely so you can have someone sleep on it that's about my length. It's going to have to be someone that's about 5 foot tall because I think that's all the longer it is. But lots of air. If you sit here and you look around, the cameraman can pan this. You can see almost 360 here. And those chairs are so nice because you can actually take those out the front door and put them underneath your awning. Ta-da! Stainless steel sink. A nice radius here. Lots of cabinetry, place for your spice rack, lots of storage under here. What's really nice about this thing is it's got some cool stuff. It's got some accent lighting underneath here, and that will make down into a bed as well. The TV's easy to see. It comes out, it swivels around, so you can pull it out like this. You can, if you are sitting in the back of the trailer, you can do this. If you're sitting at the kitchen table, you can do that. Just kind of gives you a couple of options. And this light up here is an accent light. Sold several of these, and I always stay in touch with my families because it's family. So when I talk to someone that owns one of these, they're very, very happy with it, and very few exceptions to that. There's always a little something along the way, but very few. You got a good sound system here, DVD, Blu-ray. It's got a lot of stuff on this thing. But most of all, it's all the media that you would need while you're out camping. It's got a great bathroom. It's got a big bathroom. So you can come in here, you've got a nice shower, a nice lavatory area, a basin, some storage underneath here, a medicine cabinet, place to hang your robe, to put a few towels. Pretty nice. Really nice, actually. I love the open feeling of it. I'm going to have the cameraman turn around and look at it. I'm going to go in this room, but I'm going to have him give you a good panoramic view there. There's just quite a bit of living space in this small trailer. Ta-da! A king bed. Ta-da! That is awesome. You very rarely see a king bed in anything other than a fifth wheel. And a good mattress. So we got a great big bed here. Got all this storage underneath it. And again, I want to point out that's plywood, not OSB. LED lighting, a charging station, everything you need. If you're someone that's tall, this is just the right size trailer for you because it's got a barrel roof. But come on out and take a look at it, you guys. I'm Barbara.Balcom. I'm with Guaranty RV. My phone number is 541-521-4232. I'm Barbara D at Guaranty RV. We don't just sell fun, we guarantee it.